So finally, we need to take a look at number 8, and that says rotation 90 degrees counterclockwise around the origin. So first, we're going to have to figure out what these points are. Well, point B is at -4, 1. Point X is at -3, -2. And point, we'll call it V, is at -5, -4. So we're going to have to change those because it's 90 degrees, so we know X and Y flip spots, but we also have to be aware that the quadrant we're going into is the positive negative quadrant. So the 2 points that are going to be going into that quadrant are X and V. Point B is going to be going into this quadrant here, or the third quadrant, because it's in the second quadrant, and if you rotate it 90, it'll land in the third quadrant. So for point B, we're going to have to make both of them, change the sign on both of them, because this is the negative quadrant. So B prime is going to become -1, -4. So both of them have to be negative because we're in the negative quadrant. Point X, remember, we have to flip the spots of them. So this is going to be 2, -3, because X prime is going to land in the positive negative quadrant. Same with V prime is going to be 4, -3. And now we can go ahead and graph that. So that's going to be point B prime is at -1, -4. Point X prime is at 2, -3. And finally, V prime is at 4, -3. So we get, sorry, I made a mistake there. Point V prime is at, 4, -3. And you get this shape here.